Hi! In front of me is REALME C21 and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, you need to go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose Additional Settings, click on Keyboard and Input Method and choose your current keyboard, in my case Gboard. Go into Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Over here tap on one of your photos, for example that one, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, tap Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap Done, and click on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them. Lastly, tap Apply, and now when I try to access my keyboard, I can see that theme of it was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!